In this video, I'm going to show you how to access itchio developer logs in just a few quick steps. This is helpful if you want to review activity, check updates, or find developer-related information inside your itchio account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the itchio website. You can type itch.io directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts or you're managing a developer profile. After you're logged in, look at the top menu on the itch.io website. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account and publishing tools. From that top menu, click on Developer Logs. That will take you to the Developer Logs section, where you can review the available log information connected to your itch.io account or projects. If you're not seeing the option right away, take a moment to look carefully across the top navigation bar, since the menu layout may shift depending on your screen size or browser window. Once you click Developer Logs, you should be on the correct page and ready to view the details you need. And that's it. That's how to access itchio developer logs. It only takes a moment once you know where to go. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick tutorials like this one.